Welcome to the new English language class. Dear viewers and listeners, I hope you will be fine, happy and healthy, and you will be busy in your different activities, as well as you will be busy in watching our language videos and will improving your English day by day. And inshallah, the time is very near that you will complete your English language diploma and you will be able to speak English fluently like your mother tongue. But please touch in us, keep in us in watching these videos. Today, dear viewers and listeners, we will begin presentation 17, level 1 and unit 3. In this presentation, we will talk about giving information about name and addresses. What will we talk about?
Giving information about name and address.
Giving mean dena. What does giving mean? Dena. Information, मालूमात we have discussed about names, नाम के बारे में, and addresses, पता के बारे में कि किसी का पता क्या है, address क्या है और नाम क्या है. So we will talk about them. Here you see in the book that certificate of birth registration is there, and in it they have given information about Mike. So repeat with me the presentation first of all. This is Mike Young.
This is Mike Young.
This is his birth certificate.
This is his birth certificate.
What does birth mean? पैदाइश. पैदाइश वाला सर्टिफिकेट है उनके. Birth mean पैदाइश. Third one, his full name is Michael Stuart Young.
His full name is Michael Stuart Young.
Good. Full name mean brother and sister? पूरा नाम. पूरा नाम यही है जिसमें ख़ानदान का नाम भी होता है और बंदे का अपना नाम भी होता है. जैसे अगर हम कहें कि मोहम्मद नईम रोगानी, so Muhammad Naeem Roghani is a full name. Similarly, if we say there is a Qazi Habib Ahmad, so Qazi is the family name and Habib Ahmad is his own name. Yeah. So full name mean pura naam. The third one, fourth one, his last name is Young.
His last name is Young.
Last name mean या ख़ानदानी नेम. आखिरी नाम लफ्ज़ी माना है लेकिन यहाँ इट मीन्स ख़ानदानी नाम. Sometime it is also called surname. Sometime it is also called what? Surname. And sometime it is called last name. The fifth one, his first name is Michael.
His first name is Michael.
But his nickname is Mike. गुड. फर्स्ट नेम जब किसी आदमी का पहला नाम होता है, जैसे हम बिलाल अहमद कहते हैं तो इसमें बिलाल फर्स्ट नेम है जो आम तौर पर हम बोलते हैं. एंड हिज नेक नेम मीन उर्फ. नेक नेम का माना क्या है? उर्फ हो, जिस पर एक आदमी मशहूर हो. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड नेक नेम. बट हिज नेक नेम इज़ माइक. माइक इज़ द नेक नेम ऑफ माइकल Stuart Young. Actually his original name is Michael, but he is famous by the name Mike. Or जैसे in our locality we can say that Khanla, Baijan, Lalaji, Kakaji, Bhaiya, these are nickname. These are what name? Nickname. Upon which a person is famous, which is not his original name, not his family name or last name or surname, which is not his first name or original name, but upon which a person is famous. जैसे खानजी, काकाजी, or sometime Lali, we also say in Pushto Lali. Or a different name upon which a person is famous is called his nickname. Nike you shouldn't say, nickname. And address mean किसी का पता क्या है. So then next they say his middle name is Stuart. या बिलाल अहमद रोगानी. सो यहाँ पर अहमद मिडल नेम है, बिलाल फर्स्ट नेम है, अहमद मिडल हो गया एंड रोगानी उसका ख़ानदानी नाम हो गया और लास्ट नेम हो गया. So that is middle. His middle initial is S. Yeah. So now the secretary ask full name please.
Full name please.
Michael Stuart Young.
Michael Stuart
What's your address? 10 South Kennedy Avenue, Winfield, New York. Zip code 11500. Yeah, instead of 0 we should say O. There are some abbreviation as well that when we are giving the address, so we use the mostly the abbreviation, and this abbreviation is for street. Usually we use what? ST we use for street. For street we use ST. For road, RD we use RD for road. Avenue, per avenue we use AVE, avenue. Avenue B एक ऐसा रोड होता है जो लिंक रोड होता है, एक महल्ले को जाता है या किसी देहात को जाता है मेन रोड से, जिसके दोनों तरफ दरख्त होते हैं. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एवेन्यू. सो द शॉर्ट फॉर्म ऑफ एवेन्यू इज़ AVE यूजुअली, एंड दीज आर द कंट्रैक्शन फॉर्म ऑफ दीज. यूजुअली पर रोड, फॉर स्ट्रीट और पर एवेन्यू वी यूज़ ST फॉर स्ट्रीट. स्ट्रीट मीन महला. स्ट्रीट का माना क्या है? महला. या एंड रोड यू नो सड़क, and avenue also महला और एक किस्म का लिंक रोड होता है. So I hope you will have learned the meaning of full name, last name, first name and nickname. Usually it happens, dear viewers, that we have to fill a form. We have to fill a form. So that is actually a Mike birth certificate, and he want to fill his form. So when we fill our form, we shouldn't go to one person, another person to fill this identity card form for me, or domicile form for me, or exam form for me. They are very much easy. Already they have written name, and then they have given the space. So in the name we should write our name. Then they have written father name, and they have given the space as well. So we should write the father name over here. Then they have written, suppose, NIC, the national identity card number, and they have given the space, so we should write over here. They have given everything to us, mean address or a religion or anything, and they have given the space. So instead of going to another person to fill this form for me, we should fill it ourselves. It is not so much difficult. We should take the step and fill it. Alright, so when we fill a form, and when from which kind of information the form want to get from us, we should put such kind of information, and in this way we should fill the form. We shouldn't go after one or another person, because now inshallah you will become diploma holder, and diploma holder is expert of English. He never goes to one or another place to ask other people to about the filling the form, etc. So here when we want to ask question, one is secretary and the other one is giving information. So if I ask you, excuse me sir, or excuse me ma'am, it is female, so we will say ma'am. If it is male, so we will use sir. Excuse me sir, what's your first name? पहला नाम क्या है? Suppose your name is Bilal Ahmed Roghani. Suppose your name is that one. So excuse me sir, what's your first name? Bilal. Bilal. Your first name is what? Bilal. What's your last name? Roghani. Good. The third, what's your full name? Good. Bilal Ahmed Roghani. In which all, what's your middle name? Ahmed. Middle one is Ahmed. And what's your nickname? Baijan, or whatever you say. If you have, so you should tell that one. If you don't have, so then you should say sorry. Good. Sorry, I don't have a nickname. Sorry, I don't have a nickname. Sorry, I don't have a nickname. मेरा nickname नहीं है. Sorry, I don't have a nickname. And then we ask, what's your address? आपका address क्या है? So street ज़ियारत कले, village रानी, पोस्ट ऑफिस रबात, पोस्ट ऑफिस मीन डाकखाना जैसे हम कहते हैं, पोस्ट ऑफिस रबात, तहसील बलाम्बट, डिस्ट्रिक्ट दीर लोअर. Everybody can give his own address. So once again you should ask me the question, I will answer you.
Excuse me, sir, what's your first name?
Good. Rahmanullah,
What's your last name?
find the khel.
What's your full name?
Rahmanullah find the khel, or Malak Rahmanullah find the khel is also famous by the name Malak. So Malak Rahmanullah is also there.
What's your nickname?
Lalaji. Yeah.
What's your address?
Street Ziyarat Kale, village Rani, post office Rabat, Tehsil Balambat, district Dir Lower. That is about a mine one. So in this way, dear viewers and listener, you should practice upon it a lot, because usually the people ask us that what's your first name, what's your nickname, what's your last name, or what's your address. So if you don't have practice upon them, so then we feel hesitation in answering the question like these. So these are important for us to learn. These are the basics of English. So we should try our best to learn them as well as possible. I hope you will have learned this, and you will repeat it again and again to get complete command upon this. Thank you so much for watching the video.